everybody, and welcome back to Sharon Cullen Art. I'm Sharon, and today is Inktober Day 6th, and the prompt is drooling. I thought about doing a drooling dog like a Boston Terrier like Diesel, but I saw this camel online and he was just foaming at the mouth, drooling, poor guy. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do this. But I really found the inking a bit of a challenge. I have no problem doing fur. Like you've seen me do the fur on the cat that I did for my girlfriend. You've seen me do the elephant, although it didn't have fur. The giraffes, all of that. I had no problem. But boy, oh boy, you give me a pen and tell me to ink the fur in on an animal, and my brain kind of falls out. So I will go ahead and add color with a water brush, and then I will go back again with the pen and add a little more. So like I said, it's not my best work, but it's what you get for today. So I'm just about finished here. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button down below. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll subscribe. I'll be finishing up Inktober videos, and then I will move back into my regular painting schedule. I've got a lot of great things coming up, so stay tuned, and giveaways coming up after Inktober is over. So I hope you'll stick around. Everybody remember, be courageous, sketch with wild abandon, and most of all, be kind to each other. Bye-bye.